So this is one of our 12 regional competitions that we have for our FIRST Robotics competition. This is one of 4 levels of robotics competitions that we have within FIRST. FIRST is a non-profit based out of New Hampshire. It is truly an international organization. So today here we have 37 teams competing from around California, one from Nevada, and then we do have a team from Switzerland and another team from Turkey as well. FIRST develops a game every year, a new challenge for the year. This year's game, sponsored by the Boeing Company actually, called Destination Deep Space. And teams have to design and build a robot for the challenge. This year's challenge is really placing hatch panels on ships. So we have a cargo ship and a rocket ship. They have to place hatch panels on before they can actually place cargo into those. And the cargo are these round orange balls you'll see on the field there. So you'll see you put a hatch on and then a ball in, a hatch on and ball on. And then at the end of the match, there are 3 different levels of platforms. If they're able to climb up to different levels, they get more points based off of that. We're going through a day and a half of qualification matches here with these teams, randomly paired up with 2 other schools for a 3-on-3 alliance and competition. And then after the day and a half qualification matches, the top 8 teams get to pick the other 2 teams they want to form an alliance with.
Today we're hosting the FIRST Robotics competition. It's the second one we've hosted here at Eastside. They take care of everything, an amazing setup here in our gym, but we provide the facility. Still taking it all in. It's amazing. The setup started 2 days ago, 3 days ago for just the physical setup here, but the planning has been going on all year, and to see it all come to fruition is just amazing. It's definitely our pleasure and an honor to host it here. Everybody's really excited. We have a lot of traffic coming in the morning, but all of it is just a lot of onlookers, students looking over, wondering what's happening, wanting to see it. It's beautiful that they also allow for it being open to public, so after school, on the weekend, students are going to be able to experience it as well. It's great, so we're excited to do it again for the second year, and hopefully we'll be able to have for a third as well.
Boeing has like 4 primary tenets in its vision, which is to connect, protect, explore, and inspire. So this for us is inspiring students to pursue careers in science, technology, and then one day they come into the workforce, possibly with Boeing. So it's all about the future. And of course we've titled this competition Deep Space. So we, the Boeing company, are heading toward deep space, and it's a very real possibility that one of the students, or more than one of the students here, could be taking us to deep space. We're really excited to get involved in this kind of stuff. I think this past year, a little more than $1 million was granted to teams, and I think it's 628 teams total. And we have Boeing mentors that work with teams as well across our enterprises, just under 600. And there's a little more than 100 in California. In fact, 8 of the teams here in the AV Regional have Boeing mentors. And it's all voluntary and everything, but it's great fun. And the kids get an opportunity to learn and interact with some of the older, more experienced people. And Boeing's very proud to power deep space.
It's really exciting to be here at Eastside High School today. We have a competition sponsored by Dean Kamen, the founder of the Segway. Very inspired by all the excitement of building excitement into science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM is really important as we have so many jobs in STEM here in the Antelope Valley and throughout Southern California. What we're looking for is a student who is really interested beyond academics, who can actually work together with a team, create something and then build it, put it together, and actually see the fruits of their labor. And that's what, for us, engineering is all about. For someone who's never seen this before, they should be inspired by the fact that they can actually be creative with their right brain, but also link together their logical mind and put together something with a team that is married with the left and right brain and the fruits of their hands, and be able to compete and cooperate with each other and meet an objective.
I love seeing both the local teams and the teams who are coming from afar. This program helps students to build skills in science and leadership skills and self-confidence, so it gives them the tools in their toolkit to go be successful leaders in science and business in the future. Just like the real world, there are constraints on cost, on schedule, and on the components that they can use on their robots. So it's really like a scaled down version of the real world. I know I was on a FIRST team in high school, and there are things that I learned in high school robotics that I still use in my job every day today as an engineer. Because this program builds the skills that are going to help you to be successful in college and in your career. So take this and use it to launch your career to the next level.
I'm here with Team 5012 Griffin Gear, and we're from the Palmdale Aerospace Academy in Palmdale, California. We've got about 35 members as of right now. Since we're local, we always want to make sure that this is one of our best events. We've been to 2 competitions already, one in Orange County and one in Idaho. So we won the Idaho Regional last week, and that actually qualified us to go to championships in Houston, Texas this year. Just being involved with robotics has helped me realize what I want to do, and it helps you build confidence.
We have different committees, such as the engineering side. We'll have manufacturing committee, we'll have an engineering committee, we have design leads, we have strategy and executive. And then on the business side, we have things such as business co-captain. So every year we work to build robots such as this. So our robot here today, we named it Sirius. It goes along with our brandings, which is Harry Potter. And every year we do it off a different book. FIRST has the ability to change people's lives. I'm a junior now. But when I came in my freshman year, they accepted me for who I am. Gives you a sense of belonging somewhere.
In Turkey, like 900 active team. In 2017, we went to Las Vegas, so we won the Rookie Inspiration Award, and here, and there, and now we are here. Our robot is a hatch monster. Like, we are good at hatches, and also we can do cargo. We can throw balls, and we are climbing to level 2.
We're from Lancaster High School, and we've been in a team for 20 years. And we're basically the first team in the Antelope Valley. We were in 1999. We were reached out by Mary Ann McCarthy from NASA to sponsor the first team in Antelope Valley. We can build whatever we want on our team, and then we can make a bunch of careers out of this, including photography, graphic design, and an engineer. My plan is to work as a software engineer at NASA, Google, or Lockheed Martin.
I am from Highland High School. Our team name is Pass the Wrench, and our team number is 7607. We have a total of 12 people. The benefits of having a really small team like that is that everyone is able to learn, especially because no one has that kind of engineering background that a lot of other teams' schools have. It's been a really big struggle throughout the entire year, especially because of the background that our students have. This is also our team's first season, and we're just all really excited that we were able to make it to any of these regionals because it's such a big deal, and our biggest goal would be to win Rookie All-Star. So for that award, it's between rookies. Whichever is like a higher ranking, then they get to go to championships. This is our only year that we could qualify for that, so that would be our biggest goal. But mostly it's just getting that background and getting that experience of being at a competition, because we learned a lot from our first regional, and we're still learning a lot from this regional as well. So it's all just like learning for all of us, and it's just great learning experience, and we get to skip school.
This is just such a unique event. This is like a football playoff, except for engineers and scientists and our young innovators. And it's just so exciting to me to see the enthusiasm, the camaraderie. But each school has a team, a robotics team, and they get a standard set of parts to put together a robot, and then they get to compete in competitions like this. But to me, it's more than just the innovation and the engineering side. These kids learn teamwork, they learn what's called gracious professionalism, and actually helping the teams and showing, a teamwork attitude. So this is exactly the skill set that Lockheed Martin and Skunk Works is looking when we hire future employees. Gosh, Antelope Valley has some of the best students I'm personally associated with the Palmdale Aerospace Academy. Its team is here, Palmdale High School. Our students fare very well, and it's thanks to the mentors and the coaches and the parents of these kids.